Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Today I'm going to show you how to install these taillight moldings on this 2007 Mini Cooper S. If you need parts like this for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. I'm going to take a trim tool underneath this light molding. Just go like this and release all these clips. All these clips that hold it in. Here's our old taillight trim piece. Here's our new taillight trim piece from 1aauto.com. As you can see, the shapes are the same. The back has the same clip to install them. If yours is broken or missing or even dull and you want an upgraded look, get yours at 1aauto.com. All right, now we're going to install this trim piece. Line it up, gently push it on, make sure it's secure all the way around.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.